Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Alright guys, we're doing problem 74, chapter 8 in Chemistry Central Science. We can define the average bond enthalpies and bond lengths for ionic bonds just like we can for covalent bonds. Which ionic bond is predicted to have the smaller bond enthalpy? So we can think about how we determine the energy of a bond. We're going to have E is equal to KQ1 Q2 over R. So we have LIF and CSF. So cesium and lithium both have a +1 charge, and both the fluorines obviously have the same -1 charge. So Q1 and Q2 are going to be the same in both these cases. The main variable is going to be radius. So when we look at our periodic table, as we go down to the bottom left, our atomic radius is increasing, and consequently our ionic radius as well. So S. So that means that as our atomic radius increase, so as our radii, the distance between our two atoms increases, the less energy we're going to have for our bond. Our bonding is not going to be as strong because our atoms are not as close. So when we look at bond enthalpy, that's basically how we can think of that as a measure of how strong our bond is. So in this metric, since lithium is smaller than cesium, it'll have a stronger bond. It will have a more negative lattice energy. So that means that this lithium fluoride will have a bond will have a greater bond enthalpy than the cesium fluoride bond.